Hey, welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today, we will take a look at why is your fridge not cooling and why is the door seal sometimes hot. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Our technicians get calls all the time with customers saying that when they open up their freezer door, the middle section around the door seal seems to be very hot and the refrigerator or freezer are not cooling properly. 90% of the time, when this type of situation happens, it's because the condenser fan motor is defective and not running. On refrigerators, there is a Yoder loop discharge tube that goes around the door seal to prevent condensation from developing around your door seals. When the motor stops running, the temperature of the discharge Yoder loop gets very hot, which explains why your door seal may be hot to the touch. So you may ask, why is the refrigerator not cooling when this discharge tube gets very hot? The condenser fan motor on your refrigerator is there to cool down the compressor and prevent it from overheating. When the fan motor is not running, or when your condenser is extremely dirty, the compressor will overheat. When the compressor overheats, it has a safety thermal overload that it will shut off to prevent the compressor from getting damaged. When the compressor shuts off on a safety device, it cannot pump any refrigerant through the system into the evaporator assembly, causing your fridge to stop cooling. A common way to resolve this issue is to pull your refrigerator out from the wall, being careful of any water lines, gain access to the lower mechanical cabinet of the fridge, and check the condenser fan motor and condenser itself to ensure that it's not plugged up with any dirt or dust. If these items are both clean and nothing is obstructing the blade from spinning, but the unit is still not getting cold, it most likely has a defective motor. Once this motor is replaced and it starts running again, your unit should start cooling again like normal. So if this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.